What part of the hairpin is this going to go on?
This is going to be the cup to the hairpin.
Okay.
Well, I don't know what you'd actually call that, but the pin's actually the spike that actually goes through it.
Right.
This is the decorative piece on the outside. Going for figure 8 with the scroll, curly swirl.
Who says we need tripods?
What?
Who says we need tripods?
Pretty much, as long as it don't fall over, alright? Shattering again. Tongs are working out good though.
Oh yeah. I'm actually kind of surprised with them being home forged, not bought off of some website.
Most blacksmiths tools are home forged.
Yeah.
Because to be honest with you.
Hey, if you got the skills and you got the metal, why not?
Okay. Oh, we got a hook!
Woo!
I'm so proud of ourselves. I'll let go of that for a second. Actually, what needs to happen is they need to take it over to Granny and cut the tip off with the grinder.
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna stick this back in here. We're gonna start working on the curl.
Right.
Oh, I dropped that, dude. So, I ain't got a pendant jig made up.
You ain't got what made up?
I ain't got a pendant jig made up.
Oh yeah.
Wish I would have took my time with it. It's not too bad.
It's actually starting to look good.
Alright, now I gotta switch ends up. I'm gonna set it on the anvil. I need to heat up the other side. Ran and railroad track.
This is what a laptop would be good for, right? Editing out the videos. Part of the videos.
I don't know, I think I need to close this some more. Let's see. Reason I have money.
Alright. Sounds about right. Let's go. Oh yeah, you're right.
I don't know, I need 1 inch or 3/4. I think that pipe's 3/4. To be honest with you.
Yeah.
I don't know, I need a look.
So is this thing gonna stay straight or is it gonna this out? It's always a shorter video. What kind of metal is this?
This is your regular old mild steel 1/4 inch rod.
Alright.
Picked it up at Atwood's, I believe. I think that's where I got it.
I'm gonna title the video, you know.
The only thing I'm hoping is I don't run out of gas today. Because I don't know how much is in this tank. Because it came off Robbie's barbecue grill.
Oh yeah. Well, I mean, he doesn't barbecue often, does he?
No. He said he thinks it's about a quarter of a tank.
Okay.
But as you see, I'm drawing it out. I'm trying to make a box. But I want Personally, I think that's more of a better taper than last one.
Through, get a piece of paper and write down what frames I want to cut out, and rewatch the whole video. Is that piece of steel coming off?
That is actually called mill skill.
It looks pretty cool. Yeah, this video is 11 minutes and 12 minutes long right now.
So we're going to flatten it a little bit. Try to bring that curve around. Get a bit smoother because it's not. I actually like that.
Me too. It's actually really pretty.
I actually like that one better than that one.
Me too. I mean, look at the curve at the end.
So yeah, here I'm giving more of a hard hit because I'm trying to get it flat all the way down.
I hear. But look at the little...
So we're going to try to fix this side, okay? How about that?
Yeah, but the little needle at the end. Little needle point.
Yeah, I wanted a good dead end, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
How about we bring that back out and try to flatten that out a little bit better?
Sounds... Wait.
So, you've been watching me
Yeah.
watching me do the taper?
Yeah.
That's going to be kind of important. We're spreading this out. We're going to try to fix this a little bit. That's a little better. I like that.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Are you
Get
gonna...
that back up and flatten it out.
Yeah, I was about to say, are you gonna be...
But okay. So this side's going to be the side that's going to be out. I'm going to have to flatten it out before I put the chisel marks in it. But let's just try to give it a little bit more texture. Neat little pattern going on here.
Hey, let me grab that with my hand.
Don't do that.
I think it's a little hot.
A little bit. Thinking I actually need to put some more heat into this. We'll do it. I'm not trying to get too hard with it. I'm just trying to add some character to the
Right.
piece.
We've completely forged the hairpin up to this point. What you see now. We're just putting patterns in it. It's actually starting to look pretty good.
It'll look better once I hammer it one more time.
Right? Just to go back over it.
Yeah. And once I get it in the heat again, I think in all actuality, I probably need to make that center part just a little bit thinner.
Yeah. I'm trying to find it for future purposes.
So we're going to try to thin out this part here. Since I got the chisel marks in there, we're going to try to make them stand out just a little bit more. Alright, here's that side. We're going to flip this dude around, stick the other end in. Get a hold of it. Boing. Thanks everybody.
Yeah.
Make sure you wear your work boots. Don't get caught burning holes in your tennis shoes.
Gotta wear them proper gloves.
Well, believe it or not, a lot of your blacksmiths that I've been seeing on YouTube do not wear gloves.
And they don't get in trouble for it.
No, I'm not going to get in trouble.
I am.
But one of these days I'm going to quit being lazy and actually get my work boots out of the car and put them on.
Who needs those? Ooh, fun part. Hang on. Wait. Alright. Fun part. Hey, it's a fire. Like our jig.
So we're just trying to get a different kind of bend here. Trying to give this thing some love. But as you can see, the paint's coming on. The paint on the dish. We're just trying to get it.
Make do with what you got.
I really ain't liking that angle.
Huh. I didn't know I've been filming for 5 minutes.
That works. Alright. So, we're going to figure out the length that we need for the actual pin part that goes through.
I'm gonna pause it.
We're just going to stick a 1/4 rod.
Like magic.
See, I think that will work.
Yeah.
But I think that needs to be. I'm going to try to bend that over.
Can I pause it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Back straight again. We'll go from there.
The video's a little bit delayed.
See if you notice I got like a twist trying to get that out. This 1/4 inch rod is very, very thin and very hard to work with.
You know what's cool about being able to forge?
Make anything you want?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to switch sides. We're going to heat up the other end. We're going to straighten that up. Get hold of this. Take your time two sets of tongs. But hey, guess what? Only bought one. Some people really do. I don't. So we're gonna clean up this end a little bit. Try to round it back out and cut.
Just cut the BMW.
So clean this up. We're gonna attempt to make an omelet.
Be fuel, right? Would it also be the food, or would oxygen be the food?
Your fire pyramid is fuel.
Yeah.
Fuel, oxygen, and ignition to get your fire going.
And the ignition would be that switch.
The ignition would be from each striker.
Oh, you have to use a striker in that
Yeah.
thing?
You didn't pay attention?
I wasn't here.
Where are you at?
I was in the car. Probably calling that guy.
Yeah. You know what? I got a weird idea. We're gonna try this.
Okay. What is it? Oh, it almost smells like... Hey, don't quit on us. Come on, baby. Ah, don't quit. It's actually pretty smart. Almost looks like a hanger.
Kinda.
A hanger head, you know?
This is fancy little jaws here. Now see how I got like a circle here?
Yeah.
So what I want to do, straighten that up. I'm trying to get this angle bent. Back here. So we're gonna actually go like this. Because we want to semi straight. See how it's got a little curve there and then comes back around?
That's pretty cool.
Not really perfect, but